cut it.
A little bit of timing, a little bit of emotion.
Okay. Well, like he said, knowing the problem is 90% of it.
Thanks. See you, Faulkner.
All right, man. Have a good week. Well. Let's see how the professional executes this week.
Hey, Faulkner.
Get in there. I'll be right with you. You hear Luther play?
Yeah, he's got a voice.
A voice? He's getting somewhere, but we're not quite conceptual yet.
I don't know. I mean, he's got this weight to what he plays. He's smiling even when he isn't hitting the right keys.
Yeah, but you're a natural. You're already in it, technically. That in itself has a weight. Right? Let's get you up there. Whenever you're ready. Whenever you're ready, Sam. What's up? You okay? You don't look like yourself today.
Yeah, I'm okay.
Why'd you cut it again? Okay. No, from the top. Again.
No, I can't do this.
What? What's that about?
I don't know. I mean, I don't want to be Luther, but he was smiling.
Sam, not everyone is going to be happy with their lot. Look, we got what? 45 minutes left? Let's take 5 and get back into it, okay?
No. I can't keep playing the saxophone.
What are you saying? You're what, 22, Sam? How are you going to keep up with all the guys that have been playing since they were 4?
It's not about keeping up.
Don't be naive, man. You spent all this time and money on lessons, and you want to start over? You got a great sound.
That's my dad's sound, not mine.
Yeah, Tom had an exceptional sound.
Look, I'm always at the piano. I'm listening to Monk every day. You're telling me the piano's not my sound? My dad's not even a musician anymore.
You're right. Your sound is your sound. What do you want to do?
Well, we've got a whole 45 minutes left.